Hello everyone, in today's video lesson we're going to learn how to catch an exception in C++. Exception handling is an important concept in C++ because it helps us from preventing the program crash. We're going to start by creating a new project, console application, click go, C++, click next, and I'm going to name this project exception. And we're going to click next, click finish. On the left hand side, double click on sources, double click on main, and right after IO stream I'm going to include one more preprocessor called standard accept, and std accept stands for standard exception. Right here before main I'm gonna use a function called float div, lowercase div, you can name it something else, and float div will hold float numerator and a float denominator. And right here we're going to write if the denominator is equals 0, then we're going to throw an exception, throw runtime error, and I'm going to write here error in dividing by 0. Semicolon, and if not, we're going to return something, return n divided by d, semicolon, and we're going to continue our program in main. And first I'm going to declare a couple of floats, float a, b, and float called result, semicolon, and we're gonna ask the user to input some numbers, cout, enter your numerator, which is going to be equal, semicolon, cin a, semicolon, and then I'm gonna leave a blank line between them, end of line, semicolon. Next we're gonna ask for the denominator, enter your denominator equals space, semicolon, cin b, semicolon, and leave a blank line, end of line, semicolon, and then we're gonna call result is equal div a comma b, semicolon, and we're gonna try the result, try if result makes sense, we're gonna output the result, cout result equals something, which is equals to result semicolon, and then we're going to catch the exception, catch runtime error, and output something wrong. Cout, and we're gonna put here the same message as error in dividing by 0. End of line, semicolon, and we're gonna run this program and see how we're doing with the exception handling part. And of course we're gonna see if the division is going correctly. I'm gonna click build and run. Enter your numerator. I'm gonna enter 3. Denominator will be 2, and we're gonna see if it's going to print the result correctly. The result is 1.5, which is true. I'm going to close and run the program again. Numerator 3, denominator 0. I'm going to see if it's going to handle the exception correctly. Error in dividing by 0. So it handled the exception. We cannot divide by 0. And here is the program. You can take a look at it.